Welcome to LEC on Phonics, making this subject matter in a simplified and interesting approach to all learners. There are 26 letters of the alphabet, which consists of 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. This creates 44 letter sounds made up of 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. These sounds are represented by 23 letters of the alphabet and 12 special symbols approved by International Phonetic Association (IPA). It is worthy of note that among the letter sounds there is a single story A and a double story A. Also, there is a small capital letter I. The letter G used as a sound is usually represented by a single story G, not a double story G. And lastly, the colon used is a triangular colon, not a circular colon. All this is to have a presentable transcription whenever you decide to write it in print. Note also that all these sounds are usually presented in slashes to be able to differentiate a letter from a letter sound. This is a vowel sound. It is said to be a diphthong because it comprises 2 sounds, and O. This makes the sound to be O. That is and O, making O. You may repeat after me. O, 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 O. The O sound is basically the sound of OA, where it does not precede letter R. For example, the word BOAT is pronounced boat, boat. The word COAT is pronounced coat, coat, while ROAD is pronounced road, road. Others include goat, coal, soak, and boast. In some words, OW is sounded O, as in grow, flow, snow, blown, and know. With silent E, letter O is also sounded O in the following words: close, vote, phone, code, smoke. Then, when letter O precedes LD in the following words, the O is sounded O. The first word is hold, hold, then bold, bold, followed by cold, cold, and gold, gold, then old, old. Worthy of note, the following words have O sound. The first word is chauffeur, chauffeur. Then aubergine, aubergine. You can call it aubergine if you like. And gauche, gauche. Then plateau, plateau. Then bureau, bureau. Then we have so, so. Then pole, pole. Followed by roll, roll. Then motor, motor. Then don't, don't. Next, depot, depot. Then zero, zero. Next, podium, podium, followed by poetry, poetry, then won't, followed by docile, docile, next trophy, trophy, then dough, dough, next toe, toe, next hoe, hoe, followed by soul, soul. Next word is shoulder, shoulder, then mold, mold, followed by poultice, poultice, then poultry, poultry. Next dough, dough, and though, though. That is the end of our discussion. Before we go, let's study these minimal pairs. The first pair is bought and boat. The next pair, fall and foal. Next, morning and moaning. Next pair, shore and show. Last pair, corn and cone. Now let's consider this sentence. The ball was found in a bowl. This sentence reads, they bought a new boat. With this, we shall end up here. Next sound shall be discussed in the next video. Goodbye.